Who's ready for some versus world? Alrighty then. Today we are opening a Cows versus Aliens Teal Wave. Alrighty. I'm super excited. And before I begin, I want you all to know this is a safe page, if you know what I mean. Alright, here we go. It's a spider! How cute is this guy? I like spiders. I'm one of those people that if there's a spider in the room, I will take that spider to safety. Okay, we have Web Steer, a black and white widow. Oh, I love them. Oh my goodness. This might be one of my new favorite cows. Look at this guy. How cool. I love this so much. Just marked Web Steer off the list. Now this is the back of the page. There are quite a few on here that I would love to have. And I've only opened one off the front of the list. Yeah, pretty cool. And there you have it. Cows versus Aliens Teal Wave. I just love them. And they're so pudgy. I don't know what the word I want, but they're not all of them are this full. He's a chunky boy. As always, thank you for watching.